Hello, I'm Hannah. I'm one of the practitioner tutors here at the Recovery College, and I wanted to talk to you about our course on eating for wellness. There's a really growing body of evidence now that says that the food that we eat isn't just good for our physical health, but can make a huge difference to our emotional and our mental health. So this course is just a little bit of an introduction, maybe picking our way through some of the more contradictory information you might have encountered out there in the rest of the world, helping you to maybe think about a few small changes that you might be able to make that will help you on your recovery journey.